On this video, I'm going to show you a demo of the pre-dump feature of CMT. As you saw in the demo before, you couldn't see like the benefits of the pre-dump parameter in terms of migration of containers. So we're going to start in my computer on the left pane, and you're going to see that I don't have Redis running in my computer here. You'll see that I'm getting a connection error. So what I will do is I will try to migrate a container. I will start a container here in this computer, the same Redis container that we started before. And as you can see, you will see that, of course, when Redis starts, it doesn't have anything in memory basically. So moving this container will be pretty fast because CMT doesn't actually need to transfer too many data over the network, and the downtime will be fairly small. But let's say that we populate this Redis with some information. So I'm running a script here which actually inserts some keys in Redis. And if we check the memory again after it finishes, so we're going to see the memory now. We're going to see that we have like 140 megs. And if we need to move this container around, you will see that it will take quite a little time because it needs to transfer the data over the network, right? So we're going to try this. I'm going to use the destination, the source host, the same as the video before. I'm going to specify the computer on my right pane, Redis, and I'm going to use my computer as a destination host. So there we go. So as you can see, it's taking a little bit longer than usual, right? And as you can see, the total downtime here, it says that it took 3 seconds in order to move to move the container, to freeze it, and to transfer it over the network. And sometimes we don't want to wait that much time, and especially when we have users connected that are waiting for a response. So what we'll try to do now is we're going to migrate the container back to its original machine, but this time instead we're going to use the pre-dump feature. So I just swap the destination and the source host, and I add the pre-dump flag in here at the end. So now it's performing the pre-dump, but if you see the total time, it only took 200 milliseconds to transfer of total downtime of the container. So why does this happen? Because what pre-dump does is it takes a snapshot of the memory of the process at a specific time. It transfers that snapshot, and by taking that snapshot, the process doesn't actually die, so it keeps running. And in the end, it only transfers, in the end it makes like a final checkpoint, and it only transfers the deltas that change between the first snapshot and the final checkpoint. So the whole process is much faster. So if I come here, I will see that my Redis is running again. You can see that I have all the keys in there, 200k keys. So that's the end of the demo. Hope you like it, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.